How to fix Discord GIFs not loading. Let's get started. For that, first of all, in the search bar, simply search for CMD. Now tap on Run as Administrator. Once the command prompt opens up, you will need to type in the following commands. First of all, type in ipconfig /release, then press enter. After you do that, simply type in ipconfig /+DNS, then tap on enter. Next, type in ipconfig /renew, then tap on enter. Now, type in netsh int IP reset, then press enter. Now lastly, type in netsh winsock reset, then press enter. Now, after running all the commands successfully, you can close the command prompt, restart your computer, and once your PC turns back on, open Discord and check if the GIFs are loading fine or not. In many cases, this alone fixes the issue. Now, if Discord GIFs are not loading, you can try opening Settings on your PC. After that, select Apps, then tap on Installed Apps. In the search bar, you can search for Discord. Once you search for it, you will need to go ahead and simply tap on this three dot, then tap on Uninstall. Once installed, you can restart your computer again and now visit the official website of Discord and download the latest version. After that, log in and check if the GIFs are working properly or not. That's it. That is how you can fix Discord GIFs not loading on PC. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.